recording.
What year is this car?
It was 10 years now.
10 years.
It's what it was.
2010.
Yeah.
2014.
2014.
How much petrol do you spend every day
Every day.
or every month?
Every month, if I just go to work to school, so I paid only like 2,000 a month. But if I come to Ubon, it would cost about 4,000 a month.
4,000 baht a month. It's $150 around, or less than $150 for petrol. How often do you fix it? Get it repaired?
Once a year. No, twice. Once a year with big check, and every 6 months for changing oil.
So, but you never have nothing broken. It never breaks.
It was.
If you would sell it, how much you would take?
Around 100 to 200,000.
It's around $8,000. $8,000.